Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get images on Figma. First, let's cover the basics of importing. You can easily bring images into your designs by dragging and dropping files from your computer directly onto the canvas. Alternatively, use the Place Image option found under the File menu, or simply press Shift plus Command or Control plus K. For quick additions, copy an image from any web page and paste it right into your Figma file. Figma supports common formats like JPG, PNG, GIF, and SVG. Figma treats images as fills, offering a powerful way to integrate them into your designs. To place an image inside a shape, first select your desired shape on the canvas. Then, in the right-hand sidebar, navigate to the Fill section. Click the color swatch, change the fill type from solid to image, and select your picture. You can also use the Place Image tool to quickly click on multiple shapes, filling them one by one with your chosen images. Once an image is applied as a fill, you have several options to control its appearance. In the fill settings, you'll find 4 modes: fill, fit, crop, and tile. Fill scales the image to completely cover the layer, which might cut off some edges. Fit ensures the entire image is visible, potentially leaving blank areas if the aspect ratios differ. Crop gives you precise control, letting you resize and reposition the image within its container, while tile repeats the image to fill the space. Beyond basic fills, Figma offers advanced techniques for image manipulation. You can create powerful masks by placing a shape over an image, selecting both layers, and then clicking the Use as Mask icon in the toolbar. This creatively crops your image to the shape's outline. Additionally, enhance your workflow with plugins. Tools like Unsplash or Pexels provide instant access to millions of high-quality stock photos, while other plugins offer advanced editing features or even convert raster images to scalable vector graphics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.